Pangit. Palit tayo. Ay, hindi ko dala. Sige. Piliin mo yung nasa loob ng ano, yung pinasok mo sa ano. Yung pinasok mo sa... Yung pinasok mo dun sa... Saan yun? Sa eco bag. Wag yung nasa bag. Okay, magdala ka rin ng extra.
Oo. Pangit.
Ikaw na magtanggal. Hello guys. Good morning. Hello guys. Right now we are here in Taiwan. Right now guys, we are here in Taiwan trying to catch more fish. We are here at the Taichung River. This river is good enough to make food in your family, guys. Just wait. Right now guys, we use this as a tool. This is what we call a slingshot, guys. A slingshot, what we call. So this is what we use for hunt fish. Yeah, you know, in Philippines, this is what we call tirador. In the Philippines, what we call this is tirador, guys. Tirador. Hello from Kiran Pael. Hello, good morning, Kiran Pael. Where you from, Sir Pael? Kiran Pael, where you from, and what time is in your country right now? Right now we are here in Taiwan. And the time is already 9 o'clock in the morning. Good morning to all of you guys. Good morning to all of you. Please comment down below where you from. Right now we are hunting fish using this guys, This is what we call, you know, slingshot. I hope you know this kind of method is very effective. A slingshot method is so very efficiency and very effective strategy to catch more fish, guys. Yeah. Somebody who knows this, guys, please comment down below. Somebody who knows this kind of tool for fishing, comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Somebody who know this kind of tool. Guys, comment down below if you know this kind of tool. This is what we call slingshot, guys. Slingshot. Somebody comment down below. Hello guys. Hello. Good morning to all of you. Right now we are here in Taiwan. And the time is 9 already, 9:30 in the morning. We are here right now at the river in Taiwan, guys. Right now we are here in river in Taiwan, trying to catch more fish using this new tool. This is what we call slingshot, guys. This is what we call the slingshot. Hoping to catch more fish today, guys, because today is Sunday here in Taiwan. We are hoping catch more fish today, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's do fishing. I will show you how to do this, how to use this, guys, okay? Just wait a moment. I will show you how to use this kind of tools. Hello guys, hello. Somebody who know what we call this? Somebody? Can you comment down below, guys? Can you comment down below what you call this? This is what we call slingshot, guys. We use this for hunt fish. Sir, pakita mo kung paano ginagamit yan, sir. Yan.
Can you do this?
Yes. This one, guys. This is what we call slingshot. This is how we use this